EasyPianoOnline. Hello everyone, today we will learn how to play the song Les Feuilles Mortes, also known as Autumn Leaves. In this first tutorial we will learn the first part of this song, and part 2 is on the website. Please have a look. Okay, so we'll begin with the right hand. The right hand starts with the introduction, so we have F sharp G B fingers 2, 3, and 5. And one more time. Then the next chord is E G B fingers 1, 3, and 5. Repeat this chord one more time. And we're back to F sharp G and B. Okay, so now the song starts. First finger is on E, F sharp, third is on G, fifth is on C. Hold the C as you play G. First is on E, second is on F sharp, D, fifth is on B, together F sharp and B, first is on C, D sharp, fifth is on G, first is on E, G, E, F sharp, D, E, F sharp, B, and together F sharp and B, C, D, E, and A, second is on D sharp, third is on F sharp, and second is on E. Okay, so now we'll look at the left hand. Left hand begins with fifth finger on A, E, C, add the D with fifth, and the low D. Fifth is on G, D, B, fifth is on C, and the low C. Fifth is on F sharp, C, A, fifth is on B, fifth is on G, fifth is on C, and the low C, fifth is on F sharp, third finger on C, first is on A, fifth is on B, and fifth is on E. Second finger on G, and first is on B. Okay, so as soon as you've mastered each hand separately, we can now combine hands together. Right hand begins with F sharp, G, and B, fingers 2, 3, and 5, and left hand is just ready to come in there with fifth on A as soon as the introduction finishes and the song begins. Together. Left hand fifth is on F sharp, right hand fifth is on A. B, C sharp, D sharp, and left hand E, right hand G. First is on E, D and F sharp, left hand F sharp, right hand A. Okay, so this is it for the first part for Les Feuilles Mortes. Please see part 2 on the website, and I will see you in the next video.